Here is part 3 of the 2 video series. This part we're going to be doing the coin roll hunting and these $200 worth of quarter rolls. So just like we did with nickels, we're just going to take these and dump them all out on the table. And we're going to be looking for silver quarters, and as I said in the nickel video, I like to save everything 1969 and older, plus any other usual things that I might find in these coins. So I'll be right back. I'm going to dump all these out and I'll be right back with you. Just by chance, I happen to turn this one roll of quarters over, and on the top here is a, might be hard to see here, but it is a 1965 quarter. So I'll be saving that one. I think this is only worth a couple pennies over face value since it's not in the silver stage, but pretty cool. Just the surface fine. So maybe this will be a good roll. Okay, here I have $100 worth of the quarters unrolled and dumped out. So I'm going to be going through these, and I'll record a few of them, but I'm not going to record this whole stack here. So let's find, well, that's a newer quarter, you can tell just by this. So I'm going to throw that aside, that one aside. All these newer ones I'm just not even going to look at. What do we have here? 1967. So for me, that's a keeper. $19.89. $19.94. Let's see what this is. 1984. That's a new quarter. Just put it right back. This is one. New quarter. New quarter. 1990. 1994. 1992. Some people like to save the bicentennial coins, but I don't save those. They're plentiful. 1973. Wait, I'll go to the sector. And if I find something interesting, I'll come back and show you. Okay, here are the coins that I found in that last stack of $100 enrolled nick quarters. Now granted, like I said earlier, not all of these are worth anything more than face value, but I like to save anything 1969 and older. So we have a 1967, 1965, 1968, 1965, 1969, 1965, 1968, 1967, 1965, 1967, 1967, 1967, 1965, 1966, and 1966. Okay, I'm going to put all these in the save pile over here. We're going to open up the rest of these quarter rolls, and I'm going to dump all these out at one time, then go through them, and at the end of me sorting them out, I'll come back and show you what I find. Here are the coins out of the second batch of 10 rolls of $100 worth of quarters. Not very many in this little batch here, but like I said before, it doesn't cost you a thing by trying this out. It doesn't cost you a penny. So let's go through this stack real quick. 1967, 1967, 1967, Come on, focus. 1967. 67. 65. 65. 65. And 68. So that batch I got 3 1965s, 4 1967s, and a 1968. Well, like I said earlier, these are only worth a penny or so above face value. So very rare that you're going to find a very a collectible coin in here. But you never know until you open them up. So this is another one of my hobbies. Something to do while you're watching TV, or you're just waiting on something to do, or just something to take up some time with. So give it a shot. Got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Thanks for watching.